Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Endless. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of Basic IT Tools. It is a SEC course of Delhi University. It is a course worth 2 credits. Learning objectives. The learning objectives of this course are as follows: to enable students to develop IT skills that are prerequisites in today's work environment, to equip them with basic computing skills that will enhance their employability in general, to enable the students to analyze and present information in a meaningful manner. Learning outcomes. The learning outcomes of this course are as follows. Students will be able to use word processor to generate documents with appropriate formatting, layout, review, and reference. Students will be able to manage data in worksheets and workbooks and analyze it using spreadsheet functions and inbuilt formulas. Students will be able to draw analysis on data using spreadsheets to make decisions. Students will be able to make meaningful representations of the data in the form of charts and pivot tables. Students will be able to manage data in database tables and use the same for generating queries, forms, and reports. Here is the detailed syllabus unit wise on your screen. Unit 1, Introduction to Spreadsheets. Spreadsheets, concept of workbooks and worksheets, creating, opening, closing, and saving workbooks, moving, copying, inserting, deleting, and renaming worksheets, working with multiple worksheets and multiple workbooks, controlling worksheet views, naming cells using name box, name create, and name define, exchanging data using clipboard, object linking and embedding, printing and projecting worksheets, adjusting margins and creating headers and footers, setting page breaks, changing orientation, creating portable documents and printing data and formula, implementing file level security and protecting data within the worksheet, understanding absolute and relative and mixed referencing in formulas, referencing cells in other worksheets and workbooks, correcting common formula errors, working with inbuilt functions, categories like mathematical, statistical, text, lookup, information, logical, database, date and time, and basic fun- financial functions. Unit 2, Data analysis and spreadsheets, consolidating worksheets and workbooks using formula and data consolidate command, choosing a chart type, understanding data points and data series, editing and formatting chart elements, and creating sparkling graphics, analyzing data using pivot tables, creating, formatting, and modifying a pivot table, sorting, filtering, and grouping items, creating calculated field and calculated item, creating pivot table charts, producing a report with pivot tables, introducing to recording and execution of macros. Unit 3, Word Processing. Introduction, creating and saving your document, displaying different views, working with styles and character formatting, working with paragraph formatting techniques using indigents, tabs, aligns, spacing, bullets, numbering, and creating borders, page setup and sections, setting page margins, orientation, headers and footers, endnotes and footnotes, creating section breaks and page borders, working with tables, creating tables, modifying table layouts and design, sorting, inserting graphics in a table, table math, converting text to table, and vice versa, create newspaper columns, indexes and table contents, check your documents and using inbuilt and custom dictionaries, checking grammar style and using thesaurus and finding and replacing text, create bookmarks, captions and cross-referencing, adding hyperlinks and adding source and compiling bibliography, mail merge, creating and editing your main document and data source, sorting and filtering merge documents and using merge instructions like ours, fill in and in these else, linking and inventing to keep things together. Unit 4, Databases. Introduction to database development, database terminology, objects, creating tables, working with fields, understanding data types, changing table design, assigning field properties, setting primary keys, using field validation and recording validation rules, indexing, indexing, manipulation, sorting, working with multiple tables, relationships and integrity rules, join properties, record manipulation, sorting and filtering, select data with queries, creating queries by design and by wizard, select, make table, append, delete, cross, tab, update, parameterize query, find, duplicate, and find and match, creating multiple tab queries, creating and working with table joins, using operators and expressions, creating simple and advanced criteria, working with forms, creating basic forms, working with bound, unbound, and calculating controls, understanding property sheet, working with data on forms, changing layout and creating subforms, creating list box, combo and option groups, working with reports, creating basic reports, creating header and footer, placing control on report, sorting and grouping, creating sub reports. Oh, कितना बड़ा syllabus है, कितना boring है. Essential style recommend readings. If you want, you can go through them. Yeah, just suggestive readings. And these are the and this is how your exam will be conducted. Yeah, khatam. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you find this video helpful, do share with your friends. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. That's all for today.